My name is Mohammed Isa Ali, and I'm a relationship manager in Noon Mahalli. Today, I'll be teaching you on how to utilize or use your Noon promo ad credits. The first step that you will need to be doing is you will need to move to the top left corner where you'll find these three lines. You click on the three lines, select Noon.com under primary services, and you move down to the ads option. Once you've selected the ads option, you will click the tab that says Ad Manager. Once you have selected Ad Manager, the Ad Manager campaign screen will open up for you. Before we click on the option of creating a campaign, which is how you'll be able to utilize your promo credits, first you need to find out what amount of promo credits you have or how much you have left. On the left, you'll find a couple of tabs. You will select the Billing tab. Once you've selected the Billing tab, under Payments, you shall find another option called Promo Credits. By clicking this option, this gives you a live show of exactly what amount of promo credits you have left for your store or your account. In this case, we have a total of 345.34 promo credits. Therefore, we know the budget that we have, and now we can head forward and start creating the campaign. So we move back to the options on the left side corner and we select campaigns. Now we know what is the amount of promo ad credits that we have. We can go forward and create our campaign. By doing so, we choose the option on the right top corner here in blue that says Create Campaign. You click that, two options will show up for you, which is product ads and brand ads. Since our promo credits are specifically and exclusively for product ads, we shall be selecting the product ads choice. Move down and click Continue. Now we can go ahead and start creating our promo ad credits. On what SKUs exactly do we require our ads to go for? Option number 1, which is product selection. What are the products that you would want included in your promo ad credits to use? You can do that either manually or through bulk upload. Bulk upload is usually when you have a great number of products and you want to upload them all in one go. In this case, we shall do the manual selection. You can either search by SKU name by typing down the SKU, or you can have them selected one by one. Here, I shall go forward with the Philips product. Once I click it, it moves to the selected options box and the Philips microwave. Here you can see I've selected 2 products and I can move forward to the next option. What is your bidding strategy that you're going to use? There are different types of bidding strategies and they're explained in a short manner down here under each selection. You have the dynamic bid, which is up and down, dynamic bid, down only, and fixed. In case you want more information about what option or what strategy would be the best for you, right next to the bidding strategy menu here on the right, you shall find an option where it clearly explains to you what each strategy does. And this is for the remaining other steps that we will be using. Therefore, in this case, we shall go with the fixed. Once you select the fixed, this basically sets a bid amount. The specific amount will be the only amount that will be used from your product credits in a particular day. The third option, we have targeting. In targeting, you basically put down the numbers and the keywords that are required for you when any customer goes on the Noon.com website and they put in the keywords, your product will be the first ones that are showing up on our website. There are different types of targeting options. You have auto targeting and manual targeting. In this case, on the right, it clearly explains what sort of targeting is required. I will be moving forward with the manual targeting. Once we have selected the manual targeting, you have either keywords or categories for you to use and to put in so that these keywords and these words can show up once they are put in the search engine. Now, what keywords do we want? We have 2 options. It's either recommended or manual upload. Recommended identifies the SKUs that you put on, and then it recommends to you what exact words or phrases you can use so that you can target your specific SKUs, as you can see. In this case, we shall use the manual upload. You have another 2 options, which is exact and phrase. If you want the exact words, you can just type them down. Once you click enter, the word has come to the selected box. In this case, we can add microwave, or we can add a phrase, which is the event microwave. As you can see, we have selected these 2 to 3 words. It's either phrase or exact. Once this is done, make sure you select all and you put the required number or required amount for each phrase or each word that will be utilized from your daily budget. If your daily budget is 10 dirham, you will have 0.28 for every event microwave phrase and 0.28 for every exact word microwave or event. And this can be changed as well, but this is the recommended price for each phrase or exact word. Next, we have the negative targeting. The negative targeting is basically the words that are not required once they are put into the search engine on the Noon.com website, so that your products don't utilize those words to show up. Again, for more information, you can have this option here that shows to you exactly what it means. In this case, we will not be using this as this is optional. Types of search placement bidding. The placement of your products as well matters a lot on Noon.com. In that case, it depends exactly on where you want your products to show up on the Noon.com. For more information, you can just read this quick little explanation on what exactly is the top of search placement bidding. Finally, we move on to general settings. General settings is you put a name for the campaign. Example, in this case, I should put event as in, because we are specifically working on this brand. The marketplace is Noon. The start date on when exactly do you want the product ads to start, and the end date. In terms of end date, you can either have no end date and you can keep the promotion ads going until the budget is depleted fully of your promo ad credits, or you can put in an end date. For example, we shall select the end date to be the 31st of March. Budget details, we'll be always selecting campaign budget, and we put in the daily budget, let's say a daily budget of 20 dirham. If we move up again, for every word and every phrase, you have around 0.28, 0.44, and 0.28. As many times as required. Once this hits 20 dirham for that specific day, the promo ad credits will stop. So the daily budget depends on the words that you have back on top. You can either save this draft so that you can come later and work on it, or you can straight away launch the campaign, and the campaign will start from the starting date, which is in this case 3rd of March today. Launch the campaign, you're all set, and now your campaign is live. In order to check and view your campaign, you can click on View Campaign. Now, this is the campaign exactly for the products that you have selected, and it shows you the running dates as well as the budget. Here, you can either select the products as well if you want to change something specific or not, but this is exactly how it works. Edit campaign in case you want to edit your campaign. We'll click on the campaigns option again. So now we are back to the campaigns overview homepage. If you scroll down, you can see that there are different types of campaigns here. This is the campaign that we have recently added, and its status is live. In case, let's say you would like to stop it for whatever reason at a specific time before the end date, you can just come to the active button and just toggle it to off, and the campaign has been paused. Well, that's all for the promo ad credits and how you'll be able to utilize them. Hopefully everyone makes the best out of it, and thank you very much.